Good morning students, myself Renu Bansal. Today I am going to teach you maths. Our topic is number enumeration and today I will teach you ascending and descending order and even and odd numbers. So let's start the chapter. Students, now we will learn about the ascending and descending order. First of all, we will learn about the ascending order. Ascending order means arranging numbers from the smallest to the greatest is called ascending order. When we arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest, it is called ascending order. Now look at these balls. These balls are arranged from the smallest to the largest. Like these balls, when we arrange the numbers from smallest to the largest number, it is called ascending order. And what is descending order? Descending order means arranging numbers from the largest to from the greatest to the smallest number. Like this. Look at these balls. I have arranged these balls from the greatest to the smallest. So in descending order, we arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest, like 9, 7, 5, 1. Like this, when we arrange the numbers from the greatest to the smallest, it is called descending order. Look at the given numbers. These numbers are written in the form of 100, tens and ones. In my previous class, I told you how to find out the greatest number and smallest number. So we will use those rules and find out the greatest and smallest number. So first rule was that we have to count the digits of the given number. So here we have 3 digits number. This is 3 digits number. This is also 3 digits number. This is also 3 digits. This is also 3 digits. And now it is 2 digits number. So 2 digits numbers always smaller than the 3 digits number. So first of all we will write 82. 82 is the smallest number here. Now look at the remaining numbers. If the numbers have equal number of digits, then how we will find out the smallest number? So here we have equal number of digits in these numbers. So first of all we will look at the 100 place digits. Which number is smaller here? Here we have 6, here we have 4, here we have 4, and here we have 6. Now we have two numbers of 100 place digits where 100 place digit is same. So what will we do? When 100 place digit is same, then we will check the tens place digits. Here at tens place digit we have 9 and here we have 8. So 8 is smaller than 9. So 485 is a smallest digit. 485 is the smallest digit. Then we will write the next number 493. Now we have remaining two numbers. We will put the sign of smaller than. Now we have two more numbers here, 654 and 658. Now again we will check 100 place digits are same here. 6 at 100 place, 6 digit is at 100 place, and here again we have 6. Now we will check the tens place digit. Here we have 5 and here we have 5 again. Now what will we do? We will check the ones place digit. Here at ones place we have 4 and here we have 8. So which number is smaller? 654. 654, then again smaller than sign, and then 658. So now in this way we can write the numbers in ascending order. So students, now we learn about the descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So let's start arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest. Our first step is, first of all, we will count the digits of the given numbers. Here we have 3-digit number, here we have 2 digits, 3-digit number, 3-digit number, and 3-digit number. One number is 2-digit number, means it is the smallest number here. Remaining numbers are 3-digit numbers and it is 2-digit number. No, 94 is the smallest digit number here. Now smallest number here. Now we will check the 3 digits number. We have to find out the greatest number among these numbers. Now we have 329. First of all, we will check the 100 place digits. Here we have 3 at 100 place. Here we have 7 again, and here we have 8. So which digit is greatest here? 3, 7, 7 or 8? 8 is the greatest number. 8 is the greatest digit here. So 862 is the greatest number. In descending order, first of all we will write the greatest number and then we will put the sign of greater than. Now we have 329, 786 and 789. So after this we have 7 and 7 again. Now both the digits are same. Now we'll check the tens place value. Here again tens place value is also same. Here we have at tens place 8 and here we have 8. Now we will check the ones place digit. At ones place we have here 6 and here we have 9. So which is greatest number here? 6. Which is greater number here, 6 or 9? So 9 is a greater number here. So 789 is the greater number than 786. Now we will put the sign of greater than. Now we have 786. Now next number is 329. Now we will write 329. Then again we will put the sign of greater than. Now we have 2-digit number. It is the smallest number here. Students, now we will learn about the even and odd numbers. Even numbers are those numbers with the digit 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the ones place are called even numbers. Or we can say the number completely divided by 2 are called even numbers. Now students, look here. I have written few numbers here. I have written 12, 300, 168, 174 and 846. Now we will check if these are even numbers or not. First of all, check this number. We will check this number. Here at ones place I have written 2. Now we will divide 2 by 2. When we divide 2 by 2, we will get 0 remainder. Now 12 is a even number. We will check only at the ones place digit, and if it is divided by 2, then whole number is a even number. Now we will check the next number, ones place digit. Here we have 8. When we divide 8 by 2, we will get remainder 0. So 368 is an even number. Now next 174, when we divide 4 by 2, then we will get remainder 0. So 174 is also an even number. Now next 846, when we divide 6 by 2, we will get remainder 0. So 846 is also an even number. So now we will discuss about the odd numbers. Numbers with the digit 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at the ones place are called odd numbers. Or we can say with numbers which are not divided by 2 are called odd numbers. Numbers which are not divided by 2 are called odd numbers. Now look at these numbers. We will check the ones place numbers, ones place digit here. So first of all we have 27. We will check the ones place digit. Here we have 7. When we divide 7 by 2, the remainder is 1. So 7 is not completely divided by 2. So 7 is an odd number. So 27 is a odd number. Now look at the next number. We will check again the ones place digit. Here we have 1. 1 is not divided by 2. So 981 is an odd number. Now next 155. Here again we will check 5. 5 is not divided by 2. It is not divided by 2 completely. If we divide 5 by 2, the remainder will be 1 there. Then it is not completely divided. So 155 is an odd number. Now look at the next number, 719. Here at ones place we have 9. When we divide 9 by 2, the remainder is 1. So 9 is also not completely divided by 2. So it is also a odd number. It is also an odd number.
Even numbers की है ये रेस ला 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 1 3 5 7 9 ये है और numbers की एक लाइन ला 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 0 2 4 6 8 0 2 4 6 8 घर ये है किसी नंबर की ones की प्लेस करके देखें 10 12 14 16 और 18 को ट्रेस तो यूं ही चलती रहती है ये इवन नंबर की रेस ला 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 1 3 5 7 9 1 3 5 7 9 और फिर है 11 13 15 17 19 की लाइन 1 3 5 7 9 ये और नंबर्स की एक लाइन ला 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 22 24 26 और 28 ये भी हैं part of even numbers race क्योंकि a number is even when it is divided by 2 ला 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 0 2 4 6 8 even numbers की है ये रेस और ये होते हैं equally divided in any case 21 23 25 27 और 29 ये भी है odd numbers की ही लाइन क्योंकि a number is odd when it cannot be divided by 2 ला 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 0 2 4 6 8 even numbers की है ये रेस ला 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 1 3 5 7 9 ये है odd numbers की एक लाइन ला 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 ला
Page number 23 and exercise 1.3. Now today's homework. Today I taught you ascending and descending order. So here is the question. Write the following numbers in ascending order. We have to find out the, first of all, in ascending order we will write the smallest number first of all. So we have to find out the smaller number here, then we will find out the greater and greater numbers. So first of all we will check the 100 place digit. Here we have 5, here 4, then 6 and 8. Now which number is smaller? 5, 4, 6 and 8. 4 is a smaller number here, so we will write 498 at the here. We will write 498. It is the smallest digit here. Now after 4 we have 5, means 599 is the next number here. It is greater than 498. 599 is greater than 498, means 498 is the smaller number here. Now next is 654 and next is 896. So question, write the given numbers in descending order. So first, in descending order we always used to write greatest number first of all, then smaller numbers. So we will check at the 100 place. Here we have 4, then 3, then 6 and then 7. So 7 is the greatest number here, so we will write 786. After this we have 6, 4, 3, 6. 6 is the greatest digit here, so 657 is the smaller number than the 786. Then we will write 461 here. It is smaller than 657, and then we will write 329. Same like this you will complete the remaining parts of this question. Now next question is, it is on page number 24. Write all the even numbers between the given numbers. Here we have two numbers 5 and 20. You have to write all the even numbers between these two numbers. Now next is, write all the odd numbers between the given numbers. So you will complete both the parts of this question. So students, complete your homework carefully and do practice in your practice notebook.